Welcome everyone to another Farming Smarter Plot Shot. I'm Trevor, and today we're out here combining on this beautiful hot day. We just finished harvesting the rolling barley study, and so you guys can look for the data once I crunch the numbers, see how it went. Seems like it was going pretty good. And at the end of that trial, we definitely seen some shorter plots, so that'll be interesting to see what the yield did. And now we're moving on to a new farm trial. We were spraying herbicides on this one and looking at the phototoxicity properties of those chemicals. And we were seeing some damage here as well on some of the later treatments that we sprayed on the flag leaf. So it'll be interesting to see what the data does there. And we're just going to continue rolling with the winter stagger harvester here today. For the yield, we're getting a moisture and a weight, and from there we can compare those weights and moistures to each different plot. We take a subsample for each plot, and all the bags are numbered and labeled with the plot and the treatments, so we know what's going on when we go to look at them later. And today it's a little windy, so instead of going with the wind at the back of the combine, we're going to go backwards, so the wind doesn't affect when the seed is dropping into the sieves. So with some of these trials, once we get the seed and we get it back to the shop, if it needs drying, we'll dry it a little more. And then we can also do TKW, so 1,000 kernel weight, and we can do an NIR, which measures moisture and for canola oil content, or for cereals protein. And then with that data, it can also tell us what was happening with maybe the nutrients or whatever we're looking at in those studies.